Ninth class mathematics chapter 8 quadrilaterals exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1 question number 3. ABCD is trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. Show that angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equal to angle D. Solution. Given that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium and AB is parallel to CD and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC and join mark point E on AB and such that CD is equal to AE and join E comma C. Join E comma C. Join mark point E. Okay, and join E comma C. AECD is a quadrilateral. AECD is a quadrilateral AE is parallel to CD and AE is equal to DC. Okay, therefore AE is parallel to CD. Therefore AECD is a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. Therefore angle AECD is a parallelogram. AD is parallel to EC. Okay, AD is parallel to EC. AD is parallel to EC. Angle DAB is equal to angle CEB. Okay, angle DAB is equal to angle CEB. Okay, angle CEB. Angle DAB is equal to angle CEB. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. Angle DAB is equal to angle CEB. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles are equal in equation 1. Okay, next in triangle CEB, in triangle CEB, CE is equal to CB. Okay, and CE is equal to AD. Okay, CE is equal to AD. CE is equal to AD. Therefore CE is equal to CB and C is equal to AD. Therefore angle CEB is equal to angle CEB is equal to angle CBE. C is equal to AD and angle CEB is equal to angle CBE. Okay, angle CBE. Angle CEB is equal to angle CEB is equal to angle CBE. Okay, CE is equal to CB. Angle CEB is equal to angle CBE. Okay, correspond angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, okay, CE is equal to CB, angle E is equal to angle B. Okay, angle opposite to equal sides from in equation 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, angle DAB is equal to angle CEB, angle CEB is equal to angle CBE. Okay, therefore angle DAB is equal to angle CBE. Okay, therefore angle A is equal to angle B. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, angle A is equal to angle B. Next, angle D is equal to angle D. Okay, angle D is equal to angle AEC. Okay, angle AEC, angle AEC. Angle D is equal to angle AEC. Okay, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, and angle AEC is equal to angle AEC is equal to angle ECB plus angle ECB plus angle C, angle ECB plus angle CBE. Okay, exterior angle property of triangle EBC. Okay, angle AEC is equal to angle ECB plus angle CBE. Okay, angle ACE, exterior angle of triangle EBC. Okay, sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Okay, angle AEC is equal to angle ECB plus angle CBE. Okay, exterior property of exterior property of triangle EBC. Okay, triangle EBC. Therefore angle ECB plus angle CBE, angle ECB plus angle CBE, angle CBE is equal to angle CBE is equal to angle CEB. Okay, two angles are equal. Okay, therefore angle ECB plus angle ECB plus angle CEB. Okay, angle CEB. Okay, angle CEB is equal to angle CEB is equal to angle ECD. Okay, angle CEB is equal to angle CEB is equal to angle ECD. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, angle CEB is equal to angle ECD, alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, therefore angle CEB is right, angle ECD. Angle ECB, angle D is equal to angle ECB plus angle ECD. Okay, angle ECD. Okay, angle ECB plus angle ECD is equal to angle C. Okay, therefore angle D is equal to angle C. Okay, angle D is equal to angle D, angle C, hence proved. Okay.